Everyone receives a Form 16 if you are working and some part of your salary is deducted as a TDS. But how to verify whether that Form 16 shows the correct detail or not? For that, you can go to the Traces website, which is tdscpc.gov.in. On that portal, there is an option to verify your TDS Form 16. Enter the CAPTCHA and then proceed. Then there are two options. Either you can provide the deductee PAN, TAN of deductor, financial year and all, or you can provide some TDS certificate related details and verify the certificate. So here I'm using the PAN of deductee, which is available on the Form 16. Then it is asking for the TAN of deductor, which is again available on the Form 16. Then it is asking the financial year. Select the financial year. And you can select Q4 because it is regarding Form 16 of salary, which is issued on a yearly basis. And here we'll select salary. Then go. Here the system shows the details as reflected or TDS return filed by the deductor.